Hello everyone, practical number 10, animal behavior. In this practical, there are three parts. First, social behavior. Second, courtship and reproductive behavior. Third, parental care behavior. In this practical, social behavior, we studied two animals, honeybee and termite. Second, courtship and reproductive behavior. In this practical, there are three animals: spider, scorpion, peacock. Parental care behavior. In this practical, there are four animal study. First, Aries, ichthyophis, elytis, and hornbill. In this practical, in exam, question 5, D, identify and describe. 2 marks. So, we know about animal. Unit 4, Animal Behavior and Embryology. 4.1, Social Behavior. Termites, generally called as white ants, are soft bodies, polymorphosocial insect, and live together forming large communities, and well known for nest building insects. A colony comprises of millions of termites depending upon the species and consists of different castes. Termites are nocturnal and prefer to live in darkness because they cannot resist the exposure of dry air, and so they make tunnel in wood and in soil. There are most destructive animals for human, but in nature there are responsible for making dead plants renewable for the soil. Macropterus or wing forms. It includes the first reproductive caste, the sexually matured male and female, who will become the king and queen of the colony. The body is usually pigmented and of black, brown, yellow colored. Body is cynnated and have a pair of eyes. These are the original founder of the colony. King. The kings is a one in number and is smaller than the female. The only function of the male is to provide sperm to the female and fertilize the female. queen. The queen is also 1 in number and lays 1000 eggs in a day. She measures about 5 to 7 centimeters in length. Both queens and king live in a chamber called nuptial chamber. The abdomen of the queen is very large as ovaries develop large in size. The queen can live for 6 to 15 years. It is believed that king and queen is the primary sources of the pheromone to maintain the colony integration and size of the colony. Short-winged or substance reproductive forms. When the original queen or king dies or become old, they are replaced by their substance. Their appearance is like nymph or young opens. Smaller brain and sex organs, bodiless, chitinized, pale colored, short wings, and do not leave the colony. To replace the king and the queen, the nymph must attain maturity. Is being done by feeding on special diet, usually royal jelly. Apterous neotenic reproductive or wingless forms or replacement reproductives. It is the third reproductive caste which may look like young ones or nymph without wings and oceally colorless, cuticle, vestigial, compound eyes, including male and female. When the king or queen dies due to any reason, the reproductive organs develop in them with 1 or 2 mouths. Workers. They are apparatus having non-functional reproductive organs and includes both male and female. They are 6 to 8 mm in length. It has little chitinized integument, pale colored body, wide head, and devoid of compound eyes as well as ocelli. The worker perform all the duties except the reproduction. They take care of young ones and eggs, feed the nymph, queen and king, gathering the food, building the mound, keep the mound clean. In some species also perform the defensive duty, feeding the other nest mate called tropophylaxis. The workers are the most dangerous as they feed upon the cellulose and destroy the plants, furniture, etc. Soldiers, they are apparatus, male and female without sex organ, and their main purpose is to defend the colony. They are classified having large chitinous head, big mandibles, pale color. Soldiers are two types. Mandibulate, they have large head and big mandibular for fighting against the enemy. If the enemy is large, they block the tunnel. Nestute, they have rostrum on head, also called horn, from which comes out repellent fluid or noxious spray. Social life is interaction of individual members who exchange food, water, body care of young ones, and sexual favors. The interaction between one individual of a species with another members of same species. Characteristic of social behavior. Share a common nest site. Individual of same species cooperate in caring the young ones. Division of labor. Social behavior found among insect is innate behavior. True insect societies with organized structure are observed in two orders: Hymenoptera, Isoptera. Association of members of one species for positive interaction is called social behavior. The next example, honeybee. A colony of bees may have 40 to 50,000 individuals belonging to three caste queens, drones, workers. The queen lays fertilized eggs from which develop workers, and also lays unfertilized eggs from which develops drones or male. A worker, when fed with royal jelly, develops one queen. They are fertilized female with developed ovaries. There is always one queen in hive guided by numbers of attendants. It is 15 to 20 mm in length with short legs and wings. The queen gets fertilized only once in her lifetime, which is sufficient to fertilize the eggs at the time of laying. The queen lays about 1,500 to 2,000 eggs daily. When any of worker is provided with royal jelly, diet, and given special facility like the real queen, the first queen will be dried out. Drones. The drones are the male member of the family which fertilize the queen. The string and the wax gland is absent. The reproductive organs is well developed. They are totally dependent on workers. The drones takes 24 days to develop from the eggs. Workers. They develop in 21 days from eggs and their lifespan is 6 weeks. They are the smallest of 3 castes and largest in numbers. They have wax gland and sting in their body. The worker performs 2 types of duty in her lifespan. Outdoor, collect nectar and pollen. Indoor, attending the queen, feeding the young ones and drones, cleaning the hive, building the hive, repairing the hive, gardening the hive. It is said that half of the life it perform indoor duty and then it perform the outdoor duty. Structure of comb. Social insect make special home for their family. The hive is made of beeswax and is attached to the branches of trees, ceiling of high buildings. It consists of hexagonal chambers. Mainly 3 types of cells are found. Attachment cells for attachment of the comb with any structure. Storage cell for storage of honey and pollen. Brood cells. Brood cells are of 3 types. For drones, for queen, for young ones.